All right, gang. This is going to be part 2 of doing the wheel tubs, mini tubbing, this 64 Fairlane. So as you know, we got both sides cut out. And I just came from Dutra sheet metal and picked up the strips of metal that we're going to use. And if you guys live in the Vineland area, Millville, Vineland, down in South Jersey, and you need any kind of sheet metal, bending, cutting, whatever you need, we buy all our strips from them. This way, if it's got to be cut straight, he puts them on a shear and just gives us what we need. But if you need anything from them, it's Dutra Sheet Metal in Vineland, New Jersey. Ask for Danny. Tell him John Viola from YouTube told you to go there. But he's a great guy. They help you out all the time. They're awesome. And they have pretty much everything right in stock. Aluminum, sheet metal, or whatever you need. Galvanized, stainless, whatever. Not just for car stuff. I mean, I go there for car stuff. It's not really an automotive place. But Dutra Sheet Metal, they do all kinds of heating, air conditioning, duct work, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, check them out. What we're going to do first off today is this lip on these are going to get cut off. So we're going to cut this lip off so that this sits flat, and then we're going to reinstall it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is Josh is going to finish cleaning these up, but we're going to cut this lip off flush all the way around, and then we're going to get the other piece down. This piece we're gonna flatten that thing out, and then put the strip in there and weld that in. These got to get cleaned up too, so we got something clean to work with. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. All right, I'll get you back in a little bit. All right, so we got this piece cut off. That's going to fit inside here. Like that. All right, and then we're going to add this piece, but I got to cut the front. The front gets a little wider. So I got to cut that. I'm going to cut this piece out of the frame, cap that off, and then put that in. So, all right, stand by. All right, so here's where we're at. got our clearance here now, right? So we're gonna weld it. I'm gonna trim this back a little bit. We're gonna weld all this seam back shut. We're gonna weld a plate from here to here, and then we're gonna weld a plate from here to here. Yep. So it'll have a steel plate back where it was, and then the tub will sit on the very lip. On this lip, just like that. After it's welded, this is gonna get welded just like that. That's how much room you're gonna have. So it's basically gonna get moved out about 3 inches. It's gonna go pretty much right there. I'm gonna measure that. Make it go where it's supposed to go. Alright, so he's cutting that piece up, and that piece we're gonna make it fit back in here, right? Same thickness as this, make that fit in there, and in the meantime I'm gonna start stitching this inner wheel well. I guess you want to call this the outer well back in, so we got a lot more space. So it was like that, we're gonna make it like that.
So this is what it should look like from the factory if they were gonna make something.
Right. Make it nice and flat. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim this to fit, all the way around. That's 2 1/4 inches right there. So we picked up 2 1/4 inches, and we still got a little bit of room against the firewall. I mean, against the actual back of the car.
Quarter panel.
Right. So I need the. That's gonna stay there, and that's gonna get banged in. This is gonna go like that. All right.
And we gotta just
we gotta,
cut off a
this
little bit
good.
of excess on it.
Just a little bit right there. Just a little bit right there. And then, all right, give me the marker. I'll mark it out.
We'll fit that in first, though.
Where's the light?
I got plugging in. It's coming out really nice.
After I get the inside all done, then we're going to trim this back, and it'll look like this side. Then we're going to grind all this clean. It'll look like all one piece again.
Yeah.
We got this all finished welded. You can see that. Looks real good. So basically, you picked up 2 1/4 inches on the outside, and you're gonna pick up another 2 or so inches on the inside. So these cars came with about I don't know, 5 or 6 inch wide tire on it, like a 70L, or I forget what they call it, D78, a real thin thing, and it sat right up the middle. So, but now you'll be able to fit a 10-inch slick. And what size is this? Let's see. This is a 275/60/15 drag radial on that's an 8-inch rim, but I don't think the rim is actually going to matter anymore. 10-inch tire would have fit no problem. So we got that done. I'm gonna, on this side here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little triangle in here, round it off. Do that tomorrow morning. It's getting late now, man. We're done. And same thing on this side. This was an all-day friggin' affair here with this thing, but we're done. For today, we're done. Tomorrow morning, we'll come in. We'll make those 2 corner pieces. We got this piece made. Nice, fits real good. We'll weld that in. Finish welding this up here on the floor, and then we're good to go. But it looks good. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. All right. That's what it looks like on the inside. And then when that's all cleaned up, put some paint on that bad boy. It'll look like a factory pro stocker. You could fit some meat under there now, boy. So we're good to go. That's going to be good. And by the time we're done with that, the other side's already started to be cut up. I'll finish this side up tomorrow, and then I'll start on the other side. And let's see, what else we're going to do. We picked up the plates today for the rest of the floor for the roll cage. I'm hoping that shows up before the end of this week. And I think the 4-link stuff should be coming pretty soon too. So the rear and the 4-link stuff. So we'll be putting all that back together, assembling all that and make it all fit nice. So hope you're enjoying this. It's coming out nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with some people. You like Fords? We like Fords. We like everything. Well, Fords, no problem. We're good to go. So we're getting some messages from some people. I had a couple of guys call me up asking me different things, but comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you soon.